Hey guys, this week I encountered an error in After Effects and now I share with you how I solved that. The story was like this. One day, I wanted to make a tutorial for rig joystick. To create a different character, I used both of the joystick rig and 3D Space After Effects. Everything was okay until the angel's crow. I wanted it to be really 3D and not flat, but I had never worked with this part of After Effects. So, search on YouTube and watch some good tutorials. I found it! After activating the 3D layer, a part geometry is activated, which is not active for me. Why? Let me change the rendering to 4D. Oh, what's up? Click. I understand that you are an error, bro. Oh my god. Let me to fix you. Keep calm, man.
This cool and windy trend continues through Friday. Please use caution and do not burp. This has been your Wednesday weather report.
Anyway, just return it to the 3D mode. This was the first solution that will only save you from this stupid error. The second solution. In installing Cinema 4D Lite, I installed S22 version, size is less than 500 MB, and now close After Effects and reopen. Select 3D, set the rendering on 4D, increase extrusion depths. Yes! Soon, I will put the rig tutorial of this cute character on Kakko Animation. So be sure to subscribe me and activate the bell to see my new posts. If you have any question or suggestions for future tutorials, tell me. Your comments are valuable for me. Good luck, guys!